Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My daughter has been eyeing wind spinners for a long time, and finally I caved and got her one. And I gotta tell you, my expectations were kinda low, but this wind spinner is one of the favorite things I have in my backyard. I love sitting on my porch, swinging and watching it dance with the breeze. The stainless steel layers reflect all of the beautiful colors around me as the wind blows. And I see the blue from the sky, the green in the leaves and the grass, and the teal from my porch umbrella. It was very easy to set up. It came nicely packaged in a small box with bubble wrap and the instructions on how to carefully twist the hearts. I gotta admit, I barely read the instructions and I still had this set up in a couple seconds. I do want to take a minute to talk about how durable it is because that is one of my favorite things about it. I've had it out in thunderstorms because I forgot to bring it in, and also in the summer heat, and it is still looking as beautiful as the day I took it out of the box. I absolutely love this wind spinner, and I think you will too. So if you're looking for a great gift for a friend or a loved one, or you're just ready to jazz up your backyard, I think you're going to love this. And that's my point of view.